Have you ever wondered why your focus feels worse, even though you're technically doing everything right? Like you're sleeping, working, hustling, yet your brain still feels slow, distracted, or foggy. Well, the truth is, it's not your age, and it's not because you're not smart enough. It's actually a handful of everyday habits almost every American does, especially if you work a 9-to-5, scroll your phone too much, or live that busy modern lifestyle. Today, I'm going to show you the 5 daily habits secretly killing your brain power, and more importantly, simple science-backed fixes to reverse the damage fast. And trust me, once you fix these, you'll feel mentally sharper within a week. Let's start with the most dangerous one. Habit number 1, endless social media and screen scrolling. You probably don't even notice it anymore. You open your phone for a minute, and suddenly 45 minutes are gone. But here's the problem. Every swipe dumps dopamine into your brain, teaching it to crave instant stimulation. That's why focusing on anything slow, like reading, studying, or deep work, feels almost impossible. Stanford researchers even found that heavy multitaskers lose about 10 IQ points temporarily because their brain can't filter distractions anymore. Fix: set a 20 to 30 minute daily limit. Turn off non-essential notifications, and after 9 p.m., keep your phone away from your bed. Most people see their focus improve dramatically within 72 hours. Habit number 2, sitting all day, desk job brain shutdown. If you're like most Americans, you sit over 7 to 8 hours a day, but your brain needs blood flow constantly, and long sitting literally starves it of oxygen. Harvard studies even show that long-term sedentary behavior can increase the risk of cognitive decline by 15%. This is why after long desk sessions, you don't feel tired physically, you feel mentally drained. Fix: walk for just 5 minutes every hour, or if possible, use a standing desk. Even a short walk boosts BDNF, your brain's growth fertilizer. Habit number 3, high-sugar, processed, convenient foods. America has the world's most accessible fast food, and the average American consumes over 60 pounds of sugar a year. But here's the part no one talks about. Sugar spikes your insulin, then drops it sharply, creating brain fog, irritability, slow thinking, and memory problems. Some NIH studies even show that processed food can literally shrink the hippocampus, the part responsible for learning. Fix: swap just one daily item, soda for sparkling water, chips for nuts, candy for berries. Within a week, your brain will feel more stable, calmer, and sharper. Habit number 4, poor sleep from screens and late nights. Almost 1/3 of Americans sleep less than 7 hours, and late-night screens kill the melatonin your brain needs to repair itself. If you wake up feeling tired even after sleeping for hours, this is why. Your brain never entered deep restorative sleep. Mayo Clinic found that long-term sleep deprivation can lower cognitive performance by 20%. Fix: no screens 60 minutes before bed. Lower room temperature. Aim for 7 to 9 hours. And if you wake up tired every day, try a consistent sleep schedule. Your brain loves routine. Habit number 5, chronic stress and constant overthinking. America runs on hustle culture, deadlines, bills, notifications, and mental pressure. But constant stress floods your brain with cortisol, the chemical that literally damages the prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for logic, decision-making, and focus. Yale researchers found that chronic stress can actually shrink your brain's memory centers. That's why stressed people forget small things like names, keys, tasks, to-do lists. Fix: spend 10 minutes a day on something slow. Deep breathing, a walk outside, or journaling. Nature exposure, even for 5 minutes, drops cortisol quickly. Your mind becomes clearer almost instantly. Closing section: high retention plus CTA style. These habits seem small, but they quietly destroy your brain power over time. The good news: your brain is insanely adaptable. If you reverse even 2 of these habits, you'll feel the difference this week. Better focus, better memory, better mood, and more mental energy. So tell me down in the comments, which habit are you guilty of the most? And if you want a full video on how to rebuild your brain power fast, let me know, and I'll create a part 2. Don't forget to like the video if this helped your brain, and subscribe for more weekly science-backed life upgrades.